Hello friends, today's topic is every fresher candidate, how to introduce self-intro for better way. So let's start. Good morning everyone. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Joseph. I belong to Chennai. I have done graduation from XYZ University from Chennai. Recently completed in data science certification. I'm fresher about this profession, but I have a strong interest in data analysis, business intelligence, and problem solving. I have worked with tools such as Excel, Skull, Python, Power BI, and Tableau to analyze data and create meaningful insights. I enjoy learning new technologies and improving my analytical skills. I am a quick learner, a team player, and always eager to take on new challenges. My goal is to use data-driven insights to help organizations make better business decisions and achieve their objectives. Thank you for the opportunity. I look forward to learning, growing, and contributing to the success of the team.